Technology. Today we are going to project is voice-based four-wheel robot control by using Android app. But in this project, we are control robot by using voice. In this project, we are using Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is we are using as a microcontroller and motor driver. By using motor driver, we can control the directions and speed also, and this is the Bluetooth. By using Bluetooth we can connect with the Android app and batteries. This is four-wheel robot. This robot consists of 4 motors, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 motors. These 4 motors we should connect it to the motor driver. This is the motor driver. For this motor driver we can connect only 2 motors. So here what we'll do now is this one side 2 motors we should connect it to one side, and another side 2 motors we should connect it to another side, and by using this motor we can control the directions and we can control the speed, both we can do. And this is the power supply section, and here we can give 5 volts. This is the ground and this is the 12 volts. Now we can see connection, how interface with Arduino Uno, and motors, how we can connect to motor driver, and we can see now. Actually, a motor consists of 2 terminal and another motor also consists of 2 terminal. One motor of the 1 terminal and the second motor of the 1 terminal we have to connect it to here 1 hole, and another terminal, and second motor another terminal we should connect it to another side. And another side also same like previous, how we connected like that only we should connect. And here 4 pins is there for a motor driver. This 4 pins we have to connect it to the Arduino Uno. By using these 4 pins we can control the direction. Motor driver we have to connect it to the Arduino Uno. We should connect it to the digital pin of the Arduino Uno. By using control pins we can control the directions. First control pin I am connecting second pin of the Arduino Uno, and second control pin I am connecting third pin of the Arduino Uno, and third control pin I am connecting fourth pin of the Arduino Uno, and fourth control pin I am connecting fifth pin of the Arduino Uno, and Bluetooth also we should connect it to the Arduino Uno. Bluetooth consists of 6 pins. One is first pin is the state, and second one is the RX, and third one is the TX, and fourth one is the ground, and fifth one is the 5 volts, and sixth one is the enable. Here we are using only RX, TX, and ground, and 5 volts only we are using. 5 volts we should connect it to the Arduino, and ground also we should connect it to the Arduino, and TX, RX also we should connect it to the Arduino.
Now we can see how to dump the code in Arduino Uno board. For this, first we need to install Arduino IDE. In this Arduino IDE we should code. After coding, we should dump the code into the Arduino board. For that, we should go select tools. We should select the board here. That board name is Arduino UNO. After that, we should select the board. Which board we are using to dump the code. Select. I am selecting conf file. After selecting the code, we should compile and verify the code. For that, we should go to the sketch. In that, we should select verify or compile. Click on the verify bar compile. See, we can see here when compiling. After compilation, go to the sketch and to upload the code to the microcontroller, we should select upload. Here we can see done uploading. Now we can see practically how voice control robot it will work by using Android app. First we need to install the app called AMR Voice. We need to open this app. In this app we need to go to this icon button. Here we need to click to connect the robot or Bluetooth module. We need to go to connect robot. Here we need to select the Bluetooth module which name is called HC05. See, we can see here connected HC05. First we need to click to the speaker icon. After that we should tell the commands like forward. If we tell forward command, robot will move forward. If we tell backward command, the robot will move backward. And like that, if we tell right or left, the robot will move right or left. Now I am giving command forward. Now I am giving command backward. Backward. Now I am giving command right. Right. Now I am giving command left. Left. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.